Are you looking for a stunning custom bungalow with nearly 6,000 square feet of living space, pride of ownership, and spectacular craftsmanship?
The only way it gets better than that is if it's located in one of the most highly sought after neighborhoods in Simcoe County, sitting on over a half-acre lot, backing onto a quiet creek. All that and more on today's episode.
So Adam, today we find ourselves back in Midhurst, and what's not to love about this neighborhood? First and foremost, it has one of the most sought after school districts. It's a family-friendly area with large mature lots, easy access to the 400 highway, short distances to many golf courses and ski hills, and most importantly, it's filled with beautiful custom homes.
That's right, Jules. When I think of Midhurst, I think of exactly that. These oversized, mature lots which offer a ton of privacy, and these spectacular custom-built homes that sit on top of them. Now, speaking of spectacular, the home in behind us here is one of one, guys, and the meticulous detail that went into planning and creating this home is evident everywhere. From the marley tiled roof, which has a lifetime warranty on it, to the 3-car garage, to the almost 6,000 square feet of finished living space inside, much of which has been updated recently. It's truly an absolutely incredible property, not to mention it's sitting on a massive 105 by 259 foot deep lot, which backs onto a quiet creek. There's truly nothing this one doesn't offer.
Welcome to 16 Lilac Lane. Let's head inside and take a closer look. Welcome inside this stunning custom bungalow. From the moment you pass through the double entry, the grandeur of this home is felt. From the 14-foot vaulted ceilings to this stunning stone fireplace, the sheer size of this home is fantastic. Not to mention that it's bathed with natural light from a wall of sliding glass doors and 3 overhead skylights.
That's right, Jules. There is so much to love about this living space, and this has to be my absolute favorite part. You have custom millwork here and built-in cabinetry with a full wet bar on the backside here. This makes entertaining and serving cocktails an absolute breeze, but there's so much more to love. Come follow me. So here we are in my favorite part of any home, the kitchen, and this one surely will not disappoint. Everything here has been updated recently, from the white shaker cabinetry to the professional grade stainless steel appliances to the granite countertops, and there's an absolute ton of prep space here for you to prepare that perfect meal. Now, once you have prepared that perfect meal, you're gonna need an epic spot to serve it, and I can't think of a better place than this absolutely huge dining room, which is overlooking this wall of glass all out into your beautiful backyard.
No custom home is complete without a stunning primary suite, and this one does not disappoint. From the 10-foot ceilings that flow throughout the main floor to the stunning spa-like ensuite, this primary suite is perfection. Just down the hall from the primary suite is a spacious second bedroom and an updated 4-piece bath. The main floor is rounded out by a powder room and a den with some spectacular finishes you don't want to miss.
Spectacular finishes are right. Now, not only is the sheer size of this home impressive, but so is the attention to detail. The current owners have been absolutely meticulous in their planning and their preservation of these key elements, and this space behind me here is no exception. Currently being used as a den, it would make an absolutely tremendous main floor office, and check out some of the details here. You have custom oak millwork throughout the entire space with rounded corners, and it's all accented by some oversized windows, bringing in a ton of natural light.
The spacious feel of this home continues into the lower level, where we have an additional 2,900 square feet of finished living space. That's right, 2,900 square feet. With all that space, there's room for everything that you could want. We have an additional 3 bedrooms, a 4-piece bathroom, a flex room that could be used as a home office or a gym, a giant laundry room, a workshop, and not to mention access to the backyard.
Now, Jules, there's so much to love about this backyard, and I think it all starts right here with this massive entertainer's deck. It stretches almost the entire length of this huge property, and it's the perfect spot to unwind at the end of the evening. Whether you're bringing the party outside, dining al fresco, or maybe just enjoying those warm summer nights, this is the spot to do it from. Plus, you're overlooking your park-like backyard.
Adam, with a yard this size, you're definitely going to need a riding lawnmower. And what better place to store it than your all-brick shed, which, I might add, perfectly matches the house. Now, if this park-like setting isn't enough for you and you really want to be one with nature, come, follow us. Just when you thought the backyard couldn't get any better, where else could you find this?
We are the Knowles Woolsey team, and we know Midhurst. For more information on this incredible listing and others, check out our website.